Okay, in today's video, I'm going to answer a question, and the question is, what does POV or POV mean? And this is the answer for that question. POV most commonly refers to point of view. Okay, so when you're texting with someone and you asking his suggestion, and you might saying that he was texting something like in my POV, and then you start thinking, what is POV? What is POV? Then yeah, what that person refer is point of view, which is in my POV. It means in my point of view. Okay. Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video is really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can say whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.